Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back again with another video. Today, we're going to be installing the sidebars on my truck, so stay tuned. So, here are all the parts you need. Got the bolts, lock washer and washer, got all the brackets, and obviously the side step. So, let's get underneath the truck. So, trying to do this on camera, one-handed. It says to do the front first, and then just lightly snug it up, don't over tighten. Then gonna repeat the process to the middle and the back side. Okay, so all the brackets are loosely on, so now we'll put the step on top and make any adjustments that need to be done. So this side is now done. And I realized I kicked the camera a little bit, so you missed the front part. But this side went pretty easy, didn't take too long. But let's see if it can hold me. Oh yeah, perfect. Not gonna have any issues with that. So let's finish up the other side and we'll see how it goes. Now this looks a lot better. This side took less time, took about 20 minutes or so to put together. Got all the kinks taken out of it, because first time I realized I tightened it just a little bit too much at first, and then that made putting the actual step on a little bit harder, so then I had to loosen up everything, but got the hang of it, and I just think it looks so much better now. So stay tuned for the next project.